Presenting the Redmi Note 9 that comes with 48 megapixel quad rear camera. The phone features a splash-proof aura balance design. The phone is available in Arctic White, Blue, Green and Red colors. Redmi Note 9 is available in 3 variants to choose from. 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage, and 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. The memory is expandable up to 512GB in all 3 variants. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. Redmi Note 9 features a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus IPS dot display with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio that provides for an immersive viewing experience. The IPS display produces accurate colors across a wide viewing angle. The phone comes with AI Face Unlock that lets you unlock your phone instantly and more securely. For impact protection, the display features Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone has a 48 megapixel quad rear camera array with ultra-wide, macro and depth of field lenses. It also features portrait, night mode, AI scene recognition, HDR and Pro mode to enhance the pictures. The phone has a 13 megapixel in-display selfie camera powered by Android operating system with octa-core Helio G85 processor. This phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. Redmi Note 9 comes with a 5020 mAh battery with 22.5 watt fast charger. The box includes handset, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide and clear soft case. The product comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail.
The thin and lightweight Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with a 3D curved frosted glass back design that makes it smudge-proof. The phone also features Corning Gorilla Glass 5 that protects it from accidental drops and scratches. It is available in vintage bronze, glacial blue and dark night colors. The phone is available in both 6GB and 8GB RAM variants. Both variants come with 128GB UFS 2.2 internal storage, which is expandable up to 512GB with dedicated SD card slot. It comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. Redmi Note 10 Pro has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED dot display with a 20:9 aspect ratio for an immersive viewing experience. The phone has an ultra-bright display with a wide color gamut that produces true-to-life colors. With a 120Hz refresh rate, the phone offers you smooth gaming experience. It comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor with double-tap gestures to quickly access features like camera, Google Assistant, etc. The phone also comes with dual stereo speakers and high-res audio for an immersive sound experience. Redmi Note 10 Pro has a 64 megapixel quad rear camera with a 8 megapixel ultra-wide, 5 megapixel telemacro and portrait lens. It comes with Night Mode 2.0, Dual Video, Long Exposure, Magic Clone and Vlog modes. It also comes with a 16 megapixel in-display selfie camera. Powered by MIUI 12 that is based on Android 11 OS with Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G octa-core processor and Adreno 618 GPU, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with a 5020 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charger that charges from 0 to 59% in just 30 minutes and 0 to 100% in 75 minutes. The box includes handset, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case and screen protector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page. Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M12, the latest smartphone from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy M12 comes in blue, black and white color models. Samsung Galaxy M12 comes in two models. It comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage capacity, and the other comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage capacity. Memory can be expanded up to 1TB. The phone is dual SIM, Nano plus Nano, capable with dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It has a 6.5-inch HD Plus TFT LCD screen with Infinity V-Cut display with a resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels. The phone is equipped with quad camera setup. It has 48 megapixel f2.0 main camera, 5 megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide camera, 2 megapixel f2.4 depth camera, 2 megapixel 2.4 macro camera. Front camera is equipped with 8 megapixel f2.2. Samsung Galaxy M12 is powered by Android 11 V11.0 operating system with Exynos 850 Nacho octa-core 2.0 GHz octa-core processor. The phone is equipped with 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery. The box includes handset, ejection pin, manual, data cable and travel adapter. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Hello and welcome to this video on the Mi 10i. The Mi 10i is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 750G chipset, an octa-core processor. The RAM available on the phone is 6GB or 8GB, and depending on the variant you buy, you could get 64GB or 128GB of storage. All variants come with a microSD card slot on board, so in case you want to expand it, you have that option as well. Other features of the Mi 10i that are actually very interesting include its display, the camera stack and even the design, so let's go over that. The display is a 120Hz IPS LCD panel which actually also supports HDR10+ and also has a touch polling rate of 240Hz, covering both the best of entertainment and gaming. The camera stack is impressive as well, offering the primary camera with a resolution of 108 megapixels, whereas the ultra-wide camera offers an 8 megapixel resolution. There is also a 2 megapixel macro camera and a depth sensor on board to help with portrait shots. The front-facing camera on the Mi 10i is a 16 megapixel shooter and should make for some lovely selfies. The other thing that's great about the Mi 10i is its design, which features this new Pacific Sunrise color finish. To the touch, it's a soft back, but the phone also offers IP53, lending to its durability. There's also a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. On top, you have the IR blaster, and at the bottom, a Type-C port alongside a headphone jack. Other things on the Mi 10i that are actually very impressive is its battery, which is a 4820 mAh unit, along with supporting 33-watt fast charging right out of the box. So this has been a quick look at some of the interesting features of the Mi 10i. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video.
It's caught in the crossfire.